this really specific spot in my nose, right on the right side. It's like the trigger spot. And usually when I'm inducing, I kind of like, prod it with my little paintbrush, and then it triggers a sneeze. And right now I'm like barely touching it. And if I go all the way up, maybe a sneeze like that. And I'm going to try. I always take the paintbrush out, like in between sneezes, but I'm going to try to keep it in there and see what happens. Okay, here we go. Okay. Oh my god. Well, that worked very well. It goes against my instinct to keep it in there. I keep trying to pull it out when I feel the sneeze coming. It's really hard to keep it up there, but I'm going to try. Oh, that's some powerful sneezes. That could have hurt my throat. Okay, let's try it. A couple more. Okay. That is, oh fuck. Okay. I pulled it out. I couldn't leave it in there. Let me try again. Oh god. Oh. Oh. Let's try a few more. Okay, that sounds so silly when I sneeze like that. It's really hard to leave this up there. Oh, okay, I'm gonna try a few more. It's like every 3 sneezes, I pull it out. Cause I have to get it out of there. God, can I leave it in for 4 sneezes? I don't know. My nose is getting really stuffy. I'm gonna try it. Okay, here we go. 4 sneezes. We're gonna do this. Okay. Thank you. Oh my God. Okay. Oh. Okay, I think we're done for now. Oh.